Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you all the racing outfit. So join this McLaren F1 racing experience, right? So go claim these 4 helmets I'm going to show you that is in my, which I already claimed, which is, let me go to my accessories. Yeah, let's just wait for it. It's these 3. I also got a helmet from a different game. So don't mind that. And I got these, right? So then you can go exit again when you claim it and go to your customize again. And you're gonna go to your clothings. Just go. Then put this pants on. Then you're gonna put the top out of it. Then put this jacket. And this is how it looks. So I'm gonna show you the character now. And this is how the character looks. Wait, and just go to your customize and go to head and body. Then go to skin color. Advanced. Left arm is gonna be gray. So if you don't want to be it, you don't want it to be gray, so just put it back to the normal color and just join this game called Catalog Avatar Creator. Now I'm going to just join it. Alpha Romeo. So now let's go. You're gonna make your left and right arm. So what are these? Here's some characters. Just those. No. So this is what you're going to do. Just tap on the catalog and tap on your featured. So just scroll body. To your body you go, then take forward and put left and right arms. Good. Your entire body brown. Then that's it. So then just tap on your Roblox character, save to Roblox, and my Roblox character. Now all of the items I own here. So just tap save to Roblox. There we go. Now just current outfit thing. Your Roblox avatar has been seen successfully updated. Now when you leave, you can see this. You're gonna see this. Sorry guys, I'm tired. I woke up early. So now just check your character and see. And this is what it should look like. Thank you for watching guys. Bye.